Annual Credit Report features, strengths, weaknesses. This video dives into AnnualCreditReport.com, the only authorized source for free credit reports mandated by federal law. Its core feature is providing consumers with access to their credit reports from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once every 12 months, completely free. This is crucial for identifying errors, spotting signs of identity theft, and understanding your overall credit health. It's specifically designed for anyone who wants to monitor their credit without incurring fees or subscriptions typically associated with credit monitoring services. Understanding your credit report is fundamental for anyone applying for loans, mortgages, credit cards, or even renting an apartment, making this a tool for almost every adult. Let's explore the strengths. Obviously, the biggest pro is the cost. It's free, period. This eliminates the barrier to entry for regular credit monitoring. Another significant advantage is that accessing your report doesn't affect your credit score. Also, it provides direct access to the raw data reported by creditors, giving you a clear, unfiltered view of your credit history. Now, let's discuss the weaknesses. AnnualCreditReport.com only provides your credit report, not your credit score. You'll need to use other services to obtain your actual score, and those services often come with associated costs. Also, you only get one free report from each bureau per year. While this is sufficient for many, those actively managing their credit or recovering from identity theft may need more frequent access. Furthermore, interpreting the information within the report can be challenging for some. It presents raw data, account histories, and legal language that might require further research or consultation with a financial advisor for full comprehension. Another drawback is that it doesn't offer real-time alerts or credit monitoring features. You're responsible for proactively requesting and reviewing your reports. You must actively check. In conclusion, AnnualCreditReport.com is an indispensable tool for responsible credit management. While it lacks the bells and whistles of paid credit monitoring services, its core offering, free access to your credit reports, makes it a cornerstone of financial awareness. It empowers you to catch errors, detect fraud, and stay informed about the factors influencing your financial standing. Use it wisely and proactively as part of your overall financial health strategy, but be aware of its limitations and supplement it with other resources if more comprehensive monitoring is needed.